Here we will write a Python program to find sum of first n natural numbers using recursion. So in comment line we will write, first we will define a function find sum with one parameter as n. First we will check whether n is less than or equal to 1. So if n less than or equal to 1, we will return 1, else we will return n plus, we will call the function find sum with parameter n minus 1, and outside the function we will accept n from the user. So n equal to int input, enter nth term to find sum, and we will call the function find sum and we will pass n as a parameter. Since the function is returning only value, we will call this function in print statement. So print sum of natural number and we will call find sum, and we will execute this. I will enter nth term as 4. It will print sum as 10, since 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 10.